was a lovely day at work. Yep, our wonderful global IT department decided today was the day to release the software update. Normally, those are supposed to go well and make things new and improved. But instead, it ended up locking me out of the entire system. Awesome! So, at least a third of my day, poof, up in smoke. Yay. I don't know why they don't bother testing these things a little more thoroughly before releasing. Would seem that would be the logical choice, but no. Global IT never does anything by logical means, really. And I no longer have to deal with it. I'm no longer at work. I will never understand why I subject myself to this torture every day and take this particular route home. But then again, it is still the quickest route to where I need to go. Today is pretty quiet in the area of mentionables. Honest, that really all felt that great. Been a bit of a roller coaster ride. Well, mainly because my anxiety is causing problems with my health, and as a result of my health causing my anxiety. Yay! It's an awesome feeling to be in. You live with heart issues like I do. Your mind tends to worry constantly, and in turn stress yourself out, and the anxiety tends to worsen said situation. So it's a very vicious cycle, and it's hard to escape it. Well, I think it's clear. I don't see anyone in my mirror. I don't see anyone there, so I am moving over. Blech. Into a hole. They really should fix those. But I doubt that'll be for quite a many years. The speed at which they make roadway repairs in this city is very slow. Very slow. I never understand where my tax monies go to. Garbage truck on side of road. Not good for them. I'm guessing he had some issues getting up the hill? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe he really just had to go to the bathroom. Be an odd place to do so, though. There are quite a few observing peoples. Of course, I guess if you had to, go right there in the woods. But let me tell you, maple leaves, despite having a smooth side, are not very good. They're rather abrasive on the buttocks. There's dudes looking at me funny, like I'm talking to myself. Well, I'm kind of talking to myself, but I'm talking to you all, so yeah. Oh well, that's the story I'm going to stick with. And if people look at me strangely, I don't care. Par for the course, I guess. But, do need to get over. So I'm going to violate one of my own pet peeves and speed up to get in front of somebody. Yeah, I know. Hypocrite! You could have easily just dropped in behind, but, whatever. I'm just going to play the, oh, I don't realize I needed to be in there card. And look like a buffoon. Perhaps they'll be more lenient, I don't know. Perhaps not. Hard to say. I always see these dudes on the corners too, holding the signs. And it's never the same people. It's like, well, I shouldn't say that. They kind of rotate out who stands there. It's literally like a different person every week, and then eventually you see the same guy like a month later. I say it's a racket, but they're just standing on the corner and getting money from various locations in the city. Said rather than working like the rest of us, they simply claim no income on their taxes, and they're like, oh, well, you got welfare because you don't have a job, etc., etc. Leeches. Yeah. Rant. Middle class worker rant. It has the parts of a Harley, but I can never figure that one out. It looks a little bit like an M109R, but it says Harley. Maybe there's a body kit that makes it look like an M109? I don't really know. I am indeed tired. That's what I get for staying up to midnight. Work had to be done, so I did it. Yep. I promised myself I am not going to do that tonight. Nope, not going to do it. Unless I'd be a very tired, very bored individual tomorrow. I suppose I could always take a nap. No, that's bad. You're not supposed to nap at work. Ooh. I also know that particular manhole is there, and yet I manage to hit it every day. Every day. But yeah, napping at work, bad. Unless, of course, it's a requirement that you do so, then it's okay. But I know not of any workplace that has it as a requirement. Let's turn this away. Let's see what's down this road. Oh, school bus. Big old bus of children's unruly youth. Yeah, let's see, I'm about a mile from home, so I'm going to sign off. I will talk to you all later. Bye.